If you want to delete recently watched reels on Instagram, follow these steps. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. You'll be directed to Settings and Activity page. Head over to the section How You Use Instagram. Here you're going to find this option of Your Activity. Click on that. Now scroll all the way down. Here you're going to find the option of Watch History. Under this, you're going to find all the videos that you have watched. If you don't see watch history, it's possible that the feature has not been rolled out to your account yet, as Instagram is gradually making it available to users. To speed up access, make sure your Instagram is up to date. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you're in the watch history, you're gonna get the option to select the reel that you wanna delete. After you select it, you're gonna find the option of delete as well. Click on that and confirm it. And that's it. This way you are able to delete watched reels on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.